How can you personally maximize your credit score with the needs and challenges on your credit report? The Dispute Coach starts there and builds an action plan around that. Hi, I'm Jen Williams, co-founder of the Dispute Coach. If you're seeking a simple, low cost, but highly effective DIY credit repair system, then the Dispute Coach has you covered. My team and I have over 20 years of experience in the credit repair industry. We created the Dispute Coach to make DIY credit repair simple, affordable, and stress-free. We know that credit struggles may feel personal, even embarrassing, but fixing your credit shouldn't be. That's why the Dispute Coach is 100% private and secure. No one will see your information unless you choose to share it with them. You can repair your credit completely anonymously, at your own pace in the comfort of your own home, with no judgment. Repairing your credit requires 3 basic steps that can be time-consuming and frustrating. But that's where the Dispute Coach comes in, alleviating all of that for you. Step 1 is analyzing your credit report. Reviewing your credit report and identifying the items that may be hurting your score can be a time-consuming process. However, the Dispute Coach can do that for you in a matter of seconds with the click of a button. Step 2, and this is the most important part, knowing how to communicate your demands and requests to the bureaus in a strategic manner using intelligent dispute letters. With the click of a button, the Dispute Coach will generate powerful disputes on your behalf. Whether it be inquiries, late pays, repossessions, collections, charge-off, bankruptcies, foreclosures, or student loans, the Dispute Coach has no limit to the number of items that it can challenge. It will intelligently dispute them all. Step 3 is mailing your letters. You don't even have to do that. You have the option to print and mail your letters yourself. Or with just the click of a button, the Dispute Coach can do it for you. No paper, no ink, no stamps, and no stuffing envelopes required. Right, you're now done with that round, and it's that simple. The Dispute Coach was designed by a team of credit experts with your credit goals in mind. For example, if your goal is to purchase a home, simply let us know right here. We'll be happy to connect you with a lender or connect with your lender to keep them in the loop. Please join us for our live coaching and smart spending seminars. Along with assisting you with your budgeting needs, we'll teach you how to make the money that you're spending work for you to build your credit scores. We'll cover credit-related topics and answer any questions you have about the software or your personal credit file. You can log in live or send questions ahead of time to be answered when you log in, and you can do all of this anonymously. Whether your goal is to purchase a home, recover from bankruptcy, increase your credit score, or something in between, just know that the Dispute Coach has all the tools and resources that you'll need. We look forward to assisting you on your credit repair journey.